till 5 p.m. So all you have to do is to execute certain codes and try to infer your conclusions from that. But you have to understand the code and what is new thing that you have learned in this code. So these codes are related to process creations, CPU scheduling, multi-level feedback queue scheduling, and these are in Python. And I have given you the link. You can check it on the classwork. Okay, it is under the name coursework assignment, which I have posted just now. So I'll also take an attendance today. So I'm posing the question for the assignment and deadline for the assignment. So the time right now is okay. So just answer me on the assignment, and please read the coursework assignment and start doing it. You would be needing Python on your system, and also, as I said, that you have to have Linux kernel executing on a machine, so you can download any virtualization software, maybe Oracle VirtualBox, or if you prefer something else, and then install Linux within that and work on the assignment, because these assignments are related to Linux system calls, so you may not be able to do it on the Windows. So those who are enthusiastic, they can actually do the equivalent on Windows operating system also and give me the result. But otherwise, you have to perform all these 5 assignments. So this would be the link that you'll be using. On this link, you'll find that under virtualization, the 5th topic is on process API. And on process API, you'll find a subscript called code, and you can actually download the code from there. Actually, all of these are available on the GitHub hub, and details are available here for other assignments. I've given these links in this also. So I'll be closing the session. Meanwhile, you can answer your attendance and then do this. If need be, if we think that this lecture, because of not having any lecture today, if we think that we need to reschedule the class and create another extra lecture, we will do it, and that will be decided at the end of the course. So if we think that we are not able to meet the course, cover the complete course. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can post on the WhatsApp and I'll answer you there. So have a good day, and please continue with your attendance question and continue with the assignment. Please start doing your assignment right now. You can discuss among yourself, but ultimately your reports have to be your own. Please do not copy report from others, and the report has to be typed. So I'll be closing the session now. Have a good day. Mm-hmm.